In this video, we'll be talking about how to avoid getting scammed. This video is part of a larger KogeFarm DeFi tutorial series. I promise if you watch them all, you will be more DeFi savvy than 99% of DeFi users. There is safety in knowledge, and I want your DeFi journey to be as smooth as possible. Let's get started. DeFi is at the forefront of financial innovation, and anytime you're on the forefront of anything, that also means you are in Wild West territory. Scammers are everywhere. So if you've been scammed before, I am truly sorry. I get it. They make it seem so real. I almost fell for a scam once. I was brand new to DeFi at the time and I just started farming my first LP pair. I connected to the farm's social media account on Discord and things were going great. Then I got a direct message from them. Well, I thought it was from them. Turns out it was a fake lookalike account. You are one of the lucky users. Take your bonus immediately. Claim your rewards here. I was pumped. I clicked on the link, checked out the website. It looked really legit to me, but the URL was wrong. Luckily, I double checked with some friends in a different group and they were able to save my rear end. This is my biggest tip. If you don't watch the rest of the video, just remember this one thing. If you think you're about to get scammed or you're not sure, just ask some friends. Reach out to a group. This user here on KogeFarm is a great example of that. I was just contacted by Cogecoin official support. Is that normal? Nope. Don't respond. Super scam. Moderators will never direct message you first. Thanks, I just blocked the user. The channel deceived me. Fortunately, no harm done. Moral of the story, when in doubt, just reach out. That rhymed. Pretty good. Anyway, let's get started with our DeFi safety tips. Tip number 1, never give out your private keys or private phrase. When you first created your wallet, I hope you wrote down your private key or private phrase. This is what a private phrase looks like. Don't worry, I'm not giving mine away, this is just a dummy wallet. If somehow your wallet glitches, or you accidentally delete it, locks you out, or somehow it stops working, you can recover all of your funds by creating a new wallet and importing the old funds by using the private key or private phrase. So if you don't know your private key, you need to make a new wallet immediately. Get a new private key, then transfer everything over. Your private key or private phrase basically is your wallet. Don't lose it and never share it. And no one, no matter how important they are, should ever ask for this. Anyone that mentions restoring your wallet or re-authenticating your wallet is totally a scammer. That's not a thing. This is a totally nice scam website. It looks really close to MetaMask. The URL is of course wrong. So you go in here, click restore wallet, and it's asking me for my recovery phrase. Yeah, not good. Don't do this. Tip number 2. Direct messages are almost always scams. If you use any sort of social media like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, or Telegram, and you get a direct message from someone trying to help you, it's a scam. Let's go through a few examples. Hello, this is Cogecoin Help Desk team. Yeah, you're not fooling anyone with that username. I can't even read that. For all questions and issues related to MetaMask, please email us at metamasks40@gmail. Yeah, whatever, Mr. Spammy Berry Official. Are you from Cogecoin Tech Support? Yes, how may I help you? Also, a scam. Hi, how can we be of help to you? No admin will ever ask for your private information. Oh, thanks for trying to be so helpful, Mr. Scammer. Support team from Cogecoin, how can I help you? You're not fooling anyone with that profile picture. Now these are real examples, and you may or may not have known they were scams, but sometimes scammers get extremely tricky. They copy the exact profile picture, the exact name, and almost the exact username. At KogeFarm, we do our best to report and ban all of these users, but asking to get rid of all scammers is like asking us to take out a plague of locusts with a fly swatter. Tip number 3, always get social links directly from the source. Let's say you just learned about lending and borrowing on Aave and you want to join their Telegram account. So you type in Aave on Telegram. You see 2 Telegram groups, Aave Official and Aave Fam not airdropping. How would you know which one is real? Or are they both fakes and Aave doesn't even use a Telegram? There is no way to know which one is the real one without going to Aave's website and finding their official social links. Tip number 4, giveaways are scams. Like my story at the beginning of this video, if you won something, yeah, you didn't. Some YouTuber giving away free money, also not happening. Don't fall for it. Tip number 5, and this is a big one, don't interact with websites you don't trust. I'll show you a quick example. I'm going to go to the scammiest farm I can find. I'll go to rugdoc.io. They are really good about warning about high rug risk. Contains hard rug code that can steal staked tokens. So I'm going to go to their website. If I were to stake, harvest, or unstake, I am interacting with their smart contract, and this smart contract just so happens to have hard rug code with a migrator that can steal all my tokens. So don't interact with websites you don't trust. I trust KogeFarm. But even when you're on a site that you do trust, you still need to check the URL to make sure you're actually on the right site. Check out this one. Okay, well, they could have tried a little harder to make this look like the real website. They totally failed. But this could be connected to a smart contract that is different from the one that KogeFarm officially uses. DeFi safety is about being cautious and careful and always double checking. So what happens if you did connect your wallet to a scammy site and you did interact with their smart contract? Or what happens if you did actually give away your secret phrase? More than likely, you're gonna lose all your money. But right now, at this very moment, if you still have money in that wallet, you can save it. You'll need to set up a new wallet with a new security phrase and immediately transfer everything over. Which leads me to tip number 6. Consider using multiple wallets. Let's say you want to farm with a new project, but you're not 100% sure it's legit. My advice would be just don't do it. But some of you are still going to interact with sketchy sites, so why not set up a secondary risk-taking wallet? Transfer a portion of funds you are willing to lose to a new wallet with a new security phrase. Then you only expose part of your portfolio to a sketchy smart contract rather than exposing all of your portfolio. And no, you can't just set up a new account in your MetaMask. This shares the same private key. So if one of these is compromised, they both are. Basically, you'll need to start using a new browser profile so you can re-add MetaMask as an extension and set up a new wallet. See our first video for how to set up your wallet. Tip number 7. Avoid interacting with scam tokens. If you go into your wallet, normally on the network scanners, you might see some tokens you have that you don't remember buying. Sweet! Free money! Not so fast. This is called dusting, and these tokens makers are just dying for you to try and sell them, swap them, go to their website, connect with their smart contracts, and steal all your precious money. If you leave them alone, they can't hurt you, so just don't touch them. Honestly, just leave them there. They can't do anything to you as long as you leave them alone. Thanks for watching. If you can think of more safety tips I failed to mention, please let everyone know in the comments. A quick note, you'll notice I did not talk much about estimating how risky different projects are. This is a very important skill, but one that is better covered in a completely different video. You can watch that one in our risk management video. Our next video is all about LP pairs, how to create an LP pair, how to stake it, and most importantly, how to unstake it and split it back up into parts.